Hi, this is Bianca. My first C# console personal note number 3. This one will be added loop by while. I don't know if there is any conditional statements other than if and else statements. I wish I know to use switch and case like in JavaScript. So get ready. It'll be a nasty Japanese ramen noodle. First of all, I'm gonna add new items. As a class right there. The same thing again. I have cheating sheet. So right there you go. Hope it's okay. So I'm gonna explain one by one what it does actually. Public class, okay. This is class 44. So you have to change the name right there as 44 as well. Alright, now it's a matches right there in this name, class file name actually. And then the say and class name, and yeah, that you need to send it over. Right. And then that is, you're gonna need this. So what did I do for this? Right, you actually wanted to add this, huh? So like this. So it's gonna be those say and class name variables is come along from here. But before I forget, I'm gonna add it here as well. This is a parents class. So this is only an entrance position. So the equals 3. This is new class called 44. And new method called main class 44 in class 44. So, and first of all, the same thing, string input. Yeah, that's very poor design. So I know this is so poor design, but you can see it. While condition, that's actually added. While input is not end, which is start, 1 or something else. That should be number. Has to be. Input is not empty. Blank. Oh, yeah, that's also the condition. It's keep, what's that? The console screens up. So that you can keep adding a number and which will be calculated at second, second time, second input. So let's open this. Console, read line, it's already read line. And then if it's not end, if it's an end or empty, blank, and it goes like an end program from first input, end program from first input. I can't talk. So it's going to ignore the whole entire else and it goes off of the whole loop, which is going to be closed out, ended. And if it's not, it will goes else and check the first number if it's actually correct data type, which is integer right here. And if it's correct integer, and then goes to the in number 1, which declared right there. But if it's not, it's going to say, it's like, oh, hey, it's not number. And it gives you the not number A or B or whatever. And then the same thing, it's going to skip the whole thing, and it goes off automatically. So if it's number, and then let you add it one more read line and into the second type. Also the same thing, exactly same thing to the input 1 right here, right? It's really wasting space, and what a bad coding design. So anyway, if it's and or hit just the enter without any value, it's gonna go 0 and then end the program from second input. That's what I wrote down. But if passed successfully, it's gonna declare in number 2, integer number 2, and check the data type. If data type is not matches to the integer, it's gonna yell it to, hey, this is not type matches, and then red the console color, foreground color. And it's still, it's not, excuse me. It's actually the integer and clean number. So that's actually gonna calculate. First of all, the comments gives you a comment. Your first number is blah, blah, blah. Your second number is blah, blah, blah. And calculates and declare at the same time for the answer number here. And output. And gives you the line. That's it. All about this. And it's finished up from here. So, let's try then. Control F5. Yes, it's coming here. Let's do 1. This is first number. 2. This is second number. And here is the answer. Right? Oh, that's weird. I wish that this comments comes on the top. So finish that. Well, I don't know why. Much enter. Interesting. But that one, cross 33, it's not coming neither. So, has to come. Excuse me, I totally messy about this. Just change the number. Do I have this? Do I have the things here too? No. Dark green. Okay, now it's supposed to be followed up by class 11, class 12, class 33, class 44, and the Bianechos comes one by one. Why I added all say it's the same value, so you don't have to. So let's go again. Alright, here you go. Class 11, class 12, 22, and calculates that's correct. And class 33. Let's do 1, 2, and then 1 plus 2 equals 3. That's exactly I want. And if I do 1, this is the class 44, which you added loop. So remember that 2 is coming. So you're not going to be finished up like class 33 one-time deal. Okay, so you can add any number, 85, 97, yes, 115, 888, 2. Yes, keep going. But if you hit other than number, like such as Bianeco, it's not the number. Okay, and hit the enter. That goes off of it because we calculate that way. So which parts actually did this? That actually did this by here. So if it's not number, it's gonna give me the not the numbers, warning. And the second heading, it's actually empty out because it's not number. And if it's not equal to end, or it's not equal to the blank, and it goes inside of the while, but it's actually, I just simply hit the enter. So it goes to off of the while, because this condition was met. So that's all actually. It's really spaghetti and then nasty looking. And then the next time I wanted to clean up the warning here, it's pretty much the same thing. And then we just needed to pass the what the value and then what's the warning, the script is gonna be via the parameters. So then we need methods inside this class. Okay, well, thank you so much. See you in the notes 4. Sayonara.